Have you ever felt overwhelmed? Like your mind just won't stop racing? In a world that never slows down, finding inner peace can feel impossible. But what if you could learn to quiet the noise, to sharpen your focus, and face life's chaos with unshakable calm? Mindfulness, mental clarity, and emotional resilience isn't just another wellness book. It's a step-by-step guide to mastering your mind, building mental strength, and staying grounded even when life tries to break you. You'll uncover simple daily habits, powerful mindset shifts, and techniques backed by science to help you regain control, reset your emotions, and rediscover you. If you're ready to stop surviving and start living with clarity and purpose, then this book is your path forward. Tap the link in bio, take a breath, and begin your transformation today.